So Instagram Reels have just become available. So for some of you, you might have been getting access to this earlier. I just got access to this, so I wanted to record this video to give you an update and show you the Instagram Reels tutorial to show you exactly how to use it. So keep on watching. Welcome to my channel, Jelena Ostrovska here. This is the best place for coaches and consultants who want to turn social media into revenue generators all organically. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the exciting new feature that Instagram has just released, which is the Instagram Reels. So everybody's getting super excited about that. We all heard all these crazy news about TikTok potentially being banned. You know, I heard the news that TikTok might get banned in the US around September, mid-September, if nobody acquires the platform. So we shall see what's going to happen. Now, Mark Zuckerberg decided that they're not going to wait until September, so they decided to take over TikTok right now. So let me show you what you can do with Instagram Reels and also why you may want to start using them as a creator. Now, you may be wondering, what are the Instagram Reels and what I can do with them? Now, essentially, they are simply 15-second clips for now. So I'm recording this video on August 6, 2020. So by the time you watch it, they already may have new features. In 2021, it may be a completely different and refined platform for you to publish video content. But essentially, these are 15-second clips where you can add the music, you can talk yourself, and these are just short mini clips where you can do extra video editing similar to TikTok. Now, here are the benefits for you as a content creator. So first of all, obviously, if you're already using Instagram and you have been using TikTok and you're just like, you don't want to bounce around between two different platforms, then you're gonna love it because everything is all in one. So on Instagram, you can do IG lives, you can post stories, you can just build community in one platform without having to go into TikTok. Now, like I mentioned earlier, TikTok might get potentially banned, so it is a good idea for you to potentially start uploading your TikToks into Instagram Reels. And another, probably the key component that you want to remember of Instagram is Instagram always encourages and rewards creators to be using their new features. So every single time you post on Reels, your face is going to be showing up in the Explore feed, because I'm going to show you here on the screen as well, the Instagram Reels are showing up in the Explore feed. In fact, before recording this video, I have already tested and published my very first Instagram Reel. So it is on my Instagram, you can check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box so we can connect on Insta. But I already tested it out and I posted a 15-second clip, just me starting out my day, and before I hit record on this video, I already had around 42 views, which is actually as much as I have gotten on my IG live yesterday, which is pretty crazy. So because Instagram is going to be pushing out those little videos. Now, let me show you how to actually use it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to hover over the place where you post the story. So you hit that little camera. Then you at the bottom select Reels instead of stories or IG live. Now then you want to decide what kind of piece of content you actually want to publish. Do you want to use the music as your background, audio, or do you want to talk yourself? So if you want to just share a quick tip or something like that, you can certainly do that. So for my very first reel, I actually used music just because I really wanted to give that feature a spin and see how that's going to work out. So that's what I did. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are just going to stick to the music. Now, you have to remember that every single music is obviously protected by copyright. So whenever you're going to be downloading those reels, the same thing as TikTok, your video is going to be downloading without the audio. Now, then you want to choose the speed of your video. So I personally just use the regular speed. You can play around and see if you want to do the slow motion or if you want to do the, you know, twice as much speed or something like that. Then figure out if you want to use any kind of effects, which I did use them myself, and the effect was only available on the first clip, or in the first piece of the clip, the first like 2-3 seconds. And after, when I actually turned this around and I did like another you know, recording of my face, the effect was no longer available. So Instagram is likely going to be releasing more features like that, but that's just something you want to keep in mind. And then ultimately you want to set the time. So how long do you want your clip to be? Do you want it to be the full-on 15 seconds, or do you want it to be a little bit shorter? So that's totally up to you. I just played the whole 15 seconds and I just went with it. Now, when it comes to recording it, so there's not as many things as you can do with TikTok right now. Instagram Reels is brand new, it is fresh off the Instagram shelves, so obviously there's not as many features available just yet, but you know, just wait for a couple of months and I'm sure there's going to be a way more features, way more different transitions, and there's going to be a lot more fun for this platform for us creators. But for now, basically what I used for my first Instagram reel, I chose that 15 second clip, and then you press the button to be able to record, and then when you want to basically pause, you take your finger off of the button and that stops the track, right? And then you hit the play again and you stop, and that's how I recorded the clip that you can see on this video. So there you go, that's how you create your first Instagram reel. I really hope this tutorial was helpful, so let me know down below in the comment section if you enjoyed this. Hit that subscribe button and the bell sign down below this video if you enjoy these kind of updates and all things social media and content creation. And if you are a content creator who's actually struggling with posting consistent content, then you definitely want to grab my content planner over here. So I leave a link for you down below, so you can grab that. It's a free 12-month social media calendar so that you can start using right now for your Instagram reels, for all of your content. So I really hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you think and let me know if you have created your first Instagram reel yet or not.